Jack Chapman here, Auto Repair Shop Success. This is a little bit different than the videos that we normally post. I wanted to take a second and just showcase one of the things that we did here recently with one of our members, David Anderson, over at Anderson Automotive in Prince Edward Island, Canada. This is one of the things that I enjoy most about what we do here. Owners helping owners to be successful, to fine-tune those processes, to create those results by using the people that we have to make us all stronger. If you're interested, want to hear more, reach out. We'd love to have you on board. Look to see you soon.